Hey, yeah, my name is Chad Myers, and my wife,
Kelly Myers.
and we are from actually Cottonwood, Alabama, which is outside of Dothan, Alabama, in the southeast corner. And we just purchased today, or picked up, an Oliver Legacy Elite 2, hull number 1367. So we kind of first found out about Oliver travel trailers just through the internet, through YouTube. We follow a couple of full-time RV channels, and I think an Oliver popped up, or I think you showed it to me.
Yeah, they were showing different fiberglass.
Different fiberglass, because we had a previous trailer, and we had some leakage from the roof and everything else, and just kind of battling that maintenance aspect of it, and I didn't want to go through that. So she showed us Oliver, and we called up, and then they actually set us up with an individual down in Niceville, Florida, that we went down and looked at, and he spent probably 3 hours, like just pulling everything apart and just going over everything head to toe. And he was excited. He was passionate about it. And it was, I walked away saying, hey, this is a very well-made trailer, or something that's worth, we could have a lot of fun and enjoyment using. So once we got interested, we reached out to Oliver, and we worked with Jason Lindsay. And he went over options, and he emailed things back and forth and called and see what questions we had. And we didn't have the opportunity to come up at the time to look at it, but we were able to do everything, over the phone. And Jason was a great help, and it was a smooth process once we decided this was the right thing for us.
We eventually want to go to all the national parks, and we have 5 children that live kind of spread out, and we want to go when we have shorter times off to spend time with them and our grandchildren.
That's right. So we've done some cross country camping before, and the United States is awesome. There's a lot of great places, great people, and it's refreshing to get out and see how good this country is and not be plagued with all the bad you see on TV. And that's what is refreshing and rewarding to see.
We're not getting any younger, and we're about to celebrate our 30th anniversary, and we just decided, they say smile while you still have teeth, and we're gonna camp while we're still alive.
Yeah, so I just definitely want to be able to get out and enjoy and do things, right? I'm finally putting the boot, hopefully, to the last child. Got a little time and a little extra money, right? And things are only going to get more expensive as they go on, right? So if it's difficult now, it'll probably be more challenging when I'm 60, maybe actually just sucking off a retirement egg. So our prime candidate prior to actually selecting or deciding on Oliver was we looked at Airstreams. We did road trips down to large Airstream dealerships and outside of Tampa and other places. And once we saw the Oliver, we were very impressed with the quality. And my recommendation is if you got doubts, set up a date or a time with an individual that owns one, do a walkthrough, let the product speak for itself, and then if you're able to, why wait? Because you never know what tomorrow brings. Take advantage of today and live life to the fullest while you can.
I agree.
I think we're just excited. We're kind of trying to figure out what trip we're going to take next, whether it's either Nova Scotia or maybe out to Colorado this summer, but we're ready to hit the road and see some sights.
We're excited.